I just wanted to share why I like these quart size wide mouth ball mason jars. We use these for all kinds of things. We've been using them for a very, very long time. They are BPA free. They're obviously glass, which is a great thing to have foods in, and you can use them for canning and things like that. But we've used them for drinking out of. We used to have smoothies in them a lot. Now, for example, my wife uses them for her sourdough starter. They're just great for so many things. I make tea in them all the time. And the wide mouth, in my opinion, is the key. And the reason why is because when you want to clean these jars, you can fit a decent sized hand into the top of the jar. It makes it easy to clean, whereas the regular mouth ones, it's a little bit more difficult to clean. This lid is a two-piece lid here. So it separates here like this and comes back together. It has a kind of a suction to the top of it, so it keeps things nice and airtight when you're canning and things like that. You can buy these jars in multiple counts. You can buy them in 2 packs, 4 packs, 8 packs, 12 packs. I've got a 12 pack right here. Every once in a while we have to buy more because we end up leaving them somewhere, or once in a while they break too. I'd say that the main reason that we end up not having them is we leave them places, wouldn't you say?
Yes.
Yeah. That's my quick review of the 32 ounce or the quart ball wide mouth mason jars. I hope you liked this review. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.